Ask AI is a built-in AI assistant that lives directly inside the platform. You'll find it in the left-hand navigation menu. Rather than navigating through menus to complete tasks, Ask AI lets you type what you need in plain language, and it responds from there. It opens in a dedicated workspace, not just a small chat window, so it's built for actual work, not just quick one-off questions. And because it's trained specifically on this platform, it actually knows how everything works, so you're not getting generic answers or guessing whether the information actually applies. It understands the system you're working in. There are several things Ask AI can help with. Let's go through a few of them. The first is content generation. Ask AI can write emails, social media posts, ad copy, blog ideas, and more. If your brand voice settings are configured in your account, it pulls from those to match your tone and style. So the output sounds like you, not like generic AI copy. It can also generate and edit images. You can describe what you need, and Ask AI will create a visual right inside the chat. When you're happy with it, you click the save icon to add it to your media library. You can also follow up in the same thread to refine it, adjust the background, change the style, whatever you need without starting over. From that same chat, Ask AI can also schedule content directly to your social planner. You can write a post, generate the image, and schedule it to go out, all without leaving the conversation. Before anything posts, it will show you a summary of exactly what it's about to do and ask for your confirmation. You're always in control before anything is published. Ask AI can also take direct actions inside the platform. Things like creating or updating contact records, managing opportunities, and pulling data, all from the chat interface. For anything that creates or changes something in your account, it will outline what it plans to do and wait for your approval before executing. There's also a contact summary feature. You can ask it to pull up a summary for any contact in your account, their communication history, payment records, upcoming appointments, and open tasks, all in one response. You can follow up with specific questions too, like when they last interacted or what their outstanding balance is. And if you're ever not sure how something works, you can just ask. Ask AI pulls from the platform's knowledge base and gives you an answer right there without needing to leave what you're working on or dig through documentation separately. And that's really just scratching the surface. Ask AI can also help you make quick edits using plain language, brainstorm campaign ideas, walk you through builds conversationally, and act as a starting point anytime you're not sure where to begin. Think of it less like a search bar and more like a second brain built right into the platform. One thing worth knowing about how it works, Ask AI is designed as a back and forth conversation. If the first response isn't quite right, you can ask it to adjust, refine, or go in a completely different direction, all within the same thread. Your chat history is saved, so you can always return to a previous conversation right where you left off. And for anything more complex, remember, it will lay out a step-by-step plan for you to review before it executes, so you always stay in control of the process. To get the most out of the content features, brand voice settings should be configured in your account beforehand, along with linking your social media profiles if you plan to do so. The more specific you prompt, the better the output. New capabilities are being added on an ongoing basis, so what it can do today is only the beginning. Ask AI is the platform's built-in AI assistant, designed to handle content creation, image generation, content scheduling, direct platform actions, contact lookups, and platform support, all from one place, without switching between tools or tabs.